First order of the day. We've got a Starbucks. This is $10 going 4.5 miles.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It says, due to the dogs, text upon arrival and leave by the gate. Thanks. Okay. They were not lying. They have like 4 dogs. Not really sure why they wanted me to text, because I'm pretty sure the whole neighborhood knows that they just got coffee. Oh, here we go. Next order came in. This one is for Jack in the Box. This one is $7 and some change, going under 3 miles. Thank you.
Get to your pickup at Starbucks.
This one is $10 and some change, going 3 miles. Thank you. Meet at door. Why? Why do you want to meet me? Go away. Jesus.
Good, thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Have a great day.
Next order up is for Voodoo Donut. This is $7.25 going 3 miles. Thank you. You too. All right, next order up is for Jack in the Box. This is $10 and some change, going 4.5 miles. Oh, looks like we also got an add-on. Oh, it's for the same person. This is an extra $5 going nothing, because it's going to them. It is Black Rock Coffee. Thank you. You too. Oh, thank God. This is only 1 coffee. Should be pretty quick.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
You have straws? Oh. It says meet at door, but I know this is a locked apartment complex, so I'm assuming you're gonna be standing outside for me. Of course you're not.
Hey, what's up? What do you need? Hey, I'm just kidding. This is a voicemail.
There you are. Have a good day. All right, well, this is the best order that I've gotten in a long time, so let's just go ahead and take it. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $15 going 6.5 miles, 8 items. Excuse me?
I gotta,
Oh.
I'm helping like 3 people right
Okay.
now. Let me help this one person, then I'll be back for you.
This thing is huge.
I'd rather work there too. So I normally wake up about 8 o'clock. I get really tired. I go to sleep. I get about 1:30 in the afternoon. Yeah, feels good. I see it.
High pulp, huh? That's the pulpiest.
Attention service staff.
All right, finally got the next order. This one is for Chick-fil-A, $7.75 going just under 3 miles. Thank you. The one time I wish Chick-fil-A took their time so I could enjoy their AC for a minute. It's ready immediately. I guess that's a good thing. To be honest, I think I might just call it now because this heat is killing me and it's not even at the peak yet. We were like in the low 60s earlier this week and it's supposed to be mid 90s for the rest of the weekend, maybe even into next week. And my body is not used to it yet, so that's gonna be fun. So today's gonna be a short video most likely. I'm gonna try to go for a really long time tomorrow because it's Mother's Day, so it's bound to be busy at least. But anyways, current time is 10:20. Current total is like 71. And I still have one Uber tip yet to come in. So that should put me up around $80. Pretty decent, I guess. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.